Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what I wanted to do was to give you kind of an update video. As you can see behind me, I have a really nice setup, which is books. Now, if you guys watched my video before on Three River Blades, I had to kind of split up the channel into a couple different sections. So you have Three River Blades, you have Three River Survival, and you have Three River Kydex. Three River Blades and Three River Kydex is mostly product based, which is basically what I'm doing. I'm making stuff. I'm providing that product, which is either a knife or a holster or a gun belt, something along those lines. Three River Survivals is basically just me going out into the woods, doing some hunting videos, and showing some of the gear and products that I have. And all those channels are not going to change. They're going to stay exactly the same. I'm still going to add content to all those, but what I really wanted to do was add another channel. I know, crazy, right? So I needed to add another channel like I need another hole in the head. So what I've done is I have a booktube channel now called Three River Books. Three River Books is very simply, I like a lot of sci-fi and I like a lot of fantasy books. I also will have books like military books, so Jack Carr, that kind of thing. And what I'm going to do is kind of what I've been doing is do a little review, do some more content, that kind of thing. Now you might say, how do you have time for this? The answer is I don't. I still work a full-time job. I still have children. I still have a lot of other products that I got to get out. So nothing's really going to change there. I'm just adding to it because, again, like I said, I like to be a sadist and hurt myself. No, wait, that didn't come out right. What I would like you to do is to please go to that channel, like, subscribe, share, like I always say. If you want to be a Patreon member, you can be a Patreon member. All the Amazon links will be down below, so nothing's really going to change. The only thing is if you are a book person, if you are a booktuber, if you like books, like I like books, go over there, check it out. If you want to like and subscribe, it really helps me out. Thank you very much, guys, for all your support throughout all these years. I couldn't have done it without you. You guys really helped me out on all my channels, so I can't say thank you enough. Get on that mailing list. If you're not already on it, go to Three River Blades or Three River Kydex. Go all the way down to the bottom, first name, last name, and your email address. I will be sending discount codes now for all my channels to that mailing list. It just makes it very simple to put it all together and send it out to you. So get on that mailing list, guys. I will send you all the discounts I can as a thank you for all the support you have shown me. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, be safe.